press that. Okay, it's time for us to go shopping, Mother. Okay?
Yeah.
Can you teach me how to drive?
No.
I'm going to drive now, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready, Kayla? Huh? Okay. Let us see my husband there again over there. Give me that, Mother. Thank you. Let us see my husband. How do you feel, Mother?
Huh?
How do you feel that you're going outside?
I love it.
Love it.
Yeah.
How I wish I can drive so that we can just drive,
Yeah.
drive anywhere. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, heck no, we're dying.
We're dying.
Oh, my God, look, I'm matching right now. All brown.
Oh yeah?
It's a pura.
What?
Yeah, you almost backed over your car.
We're dying. It's such. I'm just excited being a driver, you know. We are here now in Coles. So, why you want me to buy this?
Who are you? Huh?
Because it's fake.
I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. Who are you?
Oh, Mother, time for you to wear
No.
hanging.
No, no, no.
It's 70% off, Mother. Huh? Oh, how about your favorite?
No.
No. You don't like. Yeah, sleeveless. You want sleeveless?
No. No.
Puro no, 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 no. When you going to say yes? Huh?
You find me something I like.
Only t-shirt again? T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt every day? Okay, we will see over there. Another rack. How about this, Mother?
No. 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 No.
Ayan. This is how we shop, me and Mother. Oops, bump, Mother. So we are here now in the sports area, Mother. We need
Yeah.
to buy sports thing. Just like the swimwear attire, you need to wear a swimsuit, okay?
No, I don't.
I don't. Just stay there, Mother, okay? Don't run, okay? Okay, that's big for her. Mother, I will buy this for you, okay?
No.
No, no again.
I'm not going to go
Oh yeah, I will throw it for you. How about this, Mother?
No. No.
What is the partner of that? This is goodbye. She showed me this one. Goodbye. It's a prank. Prank size. I can't move on. The partner of your bride is this one. Mother, she said she's going to buy this. It's a prank. Maybe this is already t-shirt for her.
I don't know who it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
No. I don't want it. I'll
It's
keep it
perfect
tough.
partner to
No,
that.
I'll keep it.
Oh my god. How about Kayla? She
I
like
don't
this.
get that. I'll tell you, you need the baby.
Kay for Kayla.
Carla, she needs a new baby suit.
Yeah, she needs a, because she's a big. This is Mother's wanted sunglasses. I think this one, Mother, is good for you.
No.
No again. Oh, which one do you want?
Those up there.
What?
Right there. But
This
no,
one?
No. Down, down, down. Down, right, down, up, up, up. There.
Oh wow! Look at that, how elegant. The butterfly, mother. Oh wow! Let us see. Oh, yeah. How to use that? Yeah, there you go. Oh wow! Elegante, mother. Wow!
Yeah, especially since my glasses, they turn brown or turn.
Yeah, that's cool. So I think we're done now, mother, because my husband's already here to pick up us. How many hours we shop?
I don't know.
This is only our
I
we
think we
shop
got here at 2:30.
2:30. I asked mother if she want high heels. You want high
No.
heels? No. Here's my husband.
You see that?
Can you? Do you like that? Mother wants it for you. He said no.
That's too small.
How about this legs?
Sure, babe.
Done? Not yet. How many hours that we, couple hours. Time to pay.
I know. I've done my job.
Again, we have rewards the points again. We're going back again here, mother. Huh? Mother, we will going back here again. I will make you broke again. How much? How much the rewards? Huh? How much the
None.
rewards?
She said 0. You get
Huh? Well, how much is that?
Huh?
How much?
None of your business.
Mm.
Now it's my turn. Right?
Yeah, at least you got one item.
Yeah.
Sure, sure, I ain't choosing.
Oh yeah, my favorite store. Put it over here. Okay, time to go home. Thank you very much.
He thinks we went to fucking Kohl's now.